Hi, today I'm going to read a book for you called Clifford's Pals. Let's see what happens with Clifford today. He's the big red dog. Hello, this is my dog Clifford. I ride him to school every school day. Clifford usually waits for me in the schoolyard, and one day he got tired of hanging around, so he went off to play with his pals. He's got a lot of pals, huh? Look at all of his pals. The other dogs were Susie, Lenny, Basker, Flip, and a big dog named Nero. Nero led them. That must be Nero. He led them to a construction site, and there were a lot of men and machines there. Clifford knew it was a dangerous place to play, but he didn't want to look like a coward. Some workers were knocking down old walls with a big steel ball, and Clifford thought the ball would be fun to play with. Oh my. Think there's going to be a problem. The men didn't think it was fun. Clifford and his pals ran off fast. Just as Flip was running under a scaffold, a can of red paint spilled. The painter yelled, "Watch out, little guy!" Clifford peeked around the corner. "Little dog," the partner said. "What was in the paint anyhow?" Sure, Susie, Lenny, and Nero jumped down into a big pit. The work crew didn't see the dogs, and they started to pour cement on them. Oh no! Wonder what's going to happen. Clifford knocked the cement truck away, and now the men were covered with wet, sticky cement, and Clifford cleaned them off. Yuck! The cement tasted awful. Clifford went to get a drink from the hose. Uh-oh. Just then, someone turned the water on full blast. Oh no! Poor Clifford. Then Clifford saw the other dogs digging in some soft dirt, and they didn't see the bulldozer was about to push more dirt down on them. Do you see the bulldozer? I see it. It's right up there. Clifford jumped to stop the bulldozer, and he stopped it. Next, Clifford's pals found some great big pipes to play in, and Clifford tried to follow them. But he was too big. There he is. He's got his nose stuck. The pipes were stuck on Clifford's nose, and he couldn't see. Oops! The pipe came off. The workers were angry, and the dogs were causing a lot of trouble for them. They chased Clifford's pals into a storage pen and locked them in. Clifford came to the rescue for his pals. He had already broken a crane, a bulldozer, and a pipe. He didn't want to do any more damage, so instead of breaking down the fence, I wonder what he did. Do you think you know what he did? I think so too. He found another way to help his friends. Now the workers were even more angry, and they tossed a big, strong net over Clifford and tied him. Oh no. They said they would have to keep him there until the job was done. Clifford didn't know what to do, but his pals did. They chewed through the ropes that held Clifford. Wow, those are some good pals. They all ran back to the schoolyard. Clifford and his pals decided they would never play near a construction site again. And I think that that is very good information. Never play near a construction site where you could get hurt. I hope you liked my book, Cameron. This is Clifford's Pals by Norman Bridwell. Bye.